speaking of masters and post graduation, everyone has a dilemma about what to pursue after graduation, either polish his or her skills or to get a job or to apply for masters, right? So when you were at the same stage, what did you do?
Okay. Yes, I did have clarity about what to do after bachelor's degree. I accepted campus placement in TCS Pune after graduation, and started saving money for the higher education because I decided that I will do either MTech or MS. So I started saving for the higher education, as well as started polishing the programming skill in India itself, like programming language certification, which can helpful in the future once I landed in the United States for the master's degree. And I would recommend for the student that best platform to learn the certification, to polish the skills, that there is a W3 school, Udemy, Udacity, and there are some YouTube channel like Khan Academy, where you will get to learn and you can polish your skills.
Please share with us any challenges that you face during masters, not just academically, but also as a person to settle down in a completely new country with different culture.
There are a lot of challenges in USA apart from study, but every challenge has solution in United States. So let me take one example. That first challenge is that money. Apart from that study I'm considering, that's a money. It's one of the most common concern for every student. Most of the student is how to finance the international education, and there is no denying factor that it is expensive to study in abroad. When considering the cost of US education includes the cost of living, then tuition fee, books, and everything, etc. Then tuition varies university to university. So and for the international student, we don't get that much financial aids, that is scholarship. That's very limited and very competitive. That's one challenge apart from study. And secondly, the climate. I was studying in East Coast, that is in Michigan, and Michigan is always cold, heavy snow. So almost like 6 to 7 months you can't go outside. It's very difficult to go outside during the snow. And third challenge right now everyone is facing here, that's a job and work visa issue for the international student due to a lot of immigration policies they are changing. But I wanted to say that if you are focused enough on your goal, definitely you will overcome all the challenges.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. As you mentioned, you have faced money management. Can you share that with us? How
Uh,
did you
de-
face that challenge?
okay, definitely. So the overall cost, if you consider to learn in United States, like for example, for my case, there are 33 credits in order to complete the master's degree, and every credit is almost like 1,399. So almost it will go like $45,000, and almost overall like cost of living and everything, it will go like 45 to 50 lakhs in the state of Michigan. That is, that's a minimum in the East Coast. But if you go in the West Coast, like California, it goes around like 60, 70 lakhs also during education. But in order to manage the funding or financial strength, so what I did, I will share my personal experience. What I did, I work in back in India for almost three years. I saved like almost like 7 to 8 lakhs rupees in the duration of 3 years, and and after that, with that help, I paid for first semester fee and application, visa, then flight ticket. And when I landed in United States, I have only like $300 in my pocket, and I did not take single rupees from my parents, because I know that like I was like even my family was struggling with the financial crisis. So I did not take. When I landed here, I started doing part-time job because I did not have any GPA academic record here. So I started working at dining restaurants, like serving the food, then cleaning the vessels. That part time I started dining and restaurants. Then I got some work in library. That was my first semester while going. Then I had that ability, and I improved my confidence over the years and in years, and I have good technical skill command. So I approached to professors, and they gave me research assistantship with professor as well as teaching assistantship. So by God grace, my fee got waived off during education for a few of the semester, and I overall manage that expenses. But you know that it's a worth. If you take struggle for 4 years, 3 years, it's a worth for next rest of the life.